Hello everyone. Question 9. The graph of line in the xy plane has slope 2 and contains the point 1, 8. The graph of second line passes through the points 1, 2, 2, 1. If the two lines intersect at the point A, B, what is the value of A plus B? Okay. So before solving this question, I want you guys to remember these formula. Okay, so the first one, if you're given a slope and intercept, use the slope intercept formula. Okay, so if the question given a slope, which is the m, and the intercept, which is a b, use y equals mx plus b. I think you guys are familiar with this equation, because SAT, they requires a lot of like these formulas. So, and then the second one, if you're given the point and slope, use the point slope formula. Yes, so given a point and a slope, use y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Okay, for the last one, if you're given a line of points, just only the points, use formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and that will give you m, which is the slope. Okay, keep that in your mind, and let's go back to the main question. Okay, so the graph of line in the xy plane has a slope 2. Okay, we got the slope and the points, right? What was the formula for this? Y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1, right? So slope we have 2, and for x we have 1, for y we have 8 and y, right? So let's simplify. 2x minus 2, y is 2x plus 6, right? So for the first equation of this line was y equals 2x plus 6, right? Okay, good. Okay, so for the next line, okay, because there's two lines, has 1 and 1 2 and 2 1, which are the points, right? So first we want to find the slope of this specific line. So what was the formula to find the slope? It was y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? Let's say this is x1 and y1, and let's say this is y2, x2 and y2. Okay, so just substitute y2 for 1, y1 for 2, x2 for 2, for 2, and then x1 for 1, right? Which is -1, right? And that's m. That's the slope. So we found out the m for this lines. So now, okay, let's graph this, okay, to understand better. So if you have a graph, this is just an example, okay? So so the graph might be like a little awkward, but I'm so sorry. So this is a line. It's decreasing, right? Because it's -1. So m is -1, right? And we have the 2 points. So let's say this is the point 1 and this is point 2, okay? So this is how it goes, right? So now we have m, right? M is -1 for this point, this line. So now we have the slope and the points, right? So use same equation. Y equals y1 equals m, y minus y1 equals m x minus x1, right? So same thing, we have -1 for m, x minus 1, because right here, and then y1 for 2, right? Okay, simplify. -x and +1, and then +2, so +3. We have y equals minus x plus 3 for the second line. Okay, so let's highlight this. Okay, so we found out the two equation for two lines each. Now, what was the question? So if the two lines intersect at the points A and B, okay? So that's the point A and B. A and B, we can say X and Y, right? Little hard to see, so I'll change the color. X and Y, right? So we know that A is X and B is Y. Alright? So we got Y equals 2x plus 6. And then we got Y equals -x plus 3. Alright? So let's find x, y. Put negative so that we can cancel this, both y. And then negative, so positive, and then this become negative. So now we have 3x and 3, right? This is 0. So let's bring 3 to the left side. So it becomes -3x and +3, right? What's x? Easy, -1. Okay. Now we know that x is 1. So if I write like this, A and B, right? We have 1, right? Okay, next one. Let's find y. Okay. So we have y equals 2x plus 6, right? We know that x is -1, so let's substitute that to this equation. Now we have -2 plus 6, right? And then we have 4 for y. So we can say that y is 4. Or maybe you could say b is 4. Okay? Now, what was the question again? So what is the value of a plus b? So you just add a plus b together. So here, 1 plus 4 is 5. Oh wait, sorry, it's negative. Sorry, right here, because x is -3. So right here we put negative, right? So -1 plus 4 is 3. So the answer is B.